Good morning, YouTube. It's Sunday morning, and I hope everybody's having a great Easter morning. Hey, just went and took Ron for some coffee and a couple errands, and now I'm going to work on my drill press. And I hadn't showed you my drill press. I picked it up last week, and it's a real nice one, but it's real rusty. And I've already used it once, so I know it's functioning. But I'm going to try and get the rust off the column, and then I also need to lighten it up so I can get it back into where my workbench is. So, because it is heavy. So, hey, if you're into it and you want to stick around and help out, let's do this. So I'm wondering if I can just take the head completely off. And I'm wondering if that set screw right there would allow me to just pull the whole doggone thing off, because that'll free me up. I'm trying to get all this rust off of this. You see where I started here. It's really rusty all the way down. Then I want to coat this with some, I don't know, maybe some oil or any suggestions, let me know. And clean up the chuck and the handle and all that, and then get this worked in to my space. All right, let's see if that'll do that. I bet it's just seized on there. Aha, there was a second one up here. There it goes. Woo! Man. That's going to make life so much easier. All right, there we go. Now I can move this around. This will help me get it back up in there too. All right, there it is. So I'm trying to get this cleaned up. I think I can take this collar off. If I slip this collar off, maybe I can loosen this up and get this shaft, this gear out of there, and then have my full access to this. Looks like I can even loosen this up, pull it out a little bit, and even get that where it meets. So let me see what I can do. There's a start. There you go. Oh, hi. You got a dog. Hi, dog. Move that collar down to expose that area. You want belly scratch? You good old Ruble skin. You good old Ruby. Too busy for Dad. I don't know if this is gonna wind right off of here or not. Do this down there. All right, well, there's the table. Looks like they only hit it once. Right there. It's in really good shape. Now we'll do the bottom. Got my deck, bottom there. And I'm going to move it into the garage. All right, we got it in place. It's not the perfect spot for it, but it'll do. Let's get the head. All right, here's the keeper for that baby down there. It's good. Turn it out towards, there we go. Boom! Thank you. All right, let's clean up these handles. Looking sharp. Okay. Not sure what that does. I'll have to figure that out. Right in place. There we go. All right. All right, here we go. There we go. All right, everybody. Moment of truth. Boom! All right. There we go. Got it. Very fun. Goodbye, old Shopsmith desktop. Gonna miss you. Had many projects with you. So long. All right, everybody, that was a blast. Thanks for sticking with me for that little project. It's Sunday night. I hope everybody has a nice Easter evening, and I hope everybody has a safe and good week next week. So until next time, we'll see you around.